What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Just pulled up outside the job site. And I was just watching a video about Memorial Day and about the black lives that died during during the wars and the construction of America, the infrastructure from the 13 colonies to the 50 states. And one thing that just hit me. One thing that we have always done as black people, and I'm like, why are we always going to someone looking for a handout? Like, hey, I go do this, and they say, well, I'll take care of your education, and I'm gonna make sure your family's straight. Oh yeah, you gonna do that for me? And then you jump in there, and it ain't nothing like what they telling you. Anytime you are jumping into a situation because you feel like it's a more benefit to you than it is that person, and they giving you something like, oh shoot, I'm really winning. You ain't winning. You know what I mean? You just think you winning. I'm gonna tell you how you win. It's when you work off your own steam, when you create your own, when you save your own, when you build your own. And yeah, you gonna have those alone times and down times, but truth be told, you're gonna be on top of your game. You see what I'm saying? You'll be able to do more. You won't be controlled, and you won't be through in the situation, and then you like, well, I got to do this, and they're like, why you got to do this? Well, this is my job. People do a lot of things that's degrading, that's that'll hurt themselves physically, all in the name of this is my job. I'm just doing my job. I'm just doing my job. Listen to that shit. It can be something that'll get you killed. And I've heard many people say, oh, I'm just doing my job. Man, hey, protect yourself out here. Know what the truth is. Yeah, we all have jobs to do. Yeah, we all have bills to pay. But don't be no fool. Don't jeopardize your health, jeopardize your wealth, jeopardize your stability and your mental um, sanity so you can say, well, I just did my job. Because it's a lot of soldiers that died who thought they was just doing their job and the system was using them. And they died. They dead now. Rest in love. Because they thought they was doing, what was right. We got to know better. And until we know better, we can't do better. Hold on.